Hi, my name is Christian Tabato, and I'm from Northville, Michigan, and I'm here with MSU's Forestry Department to help you guys identify some of Michigan's native trees. Right here we have an eastern cottonwood, Latin name Populus deltoides, and it gets that Latin name from the shape of its leaves. Its leaves are triangular in shape, so that's where deltoides comes from. And the petiole is flattened, so in the slightest breeze, the leaves will tremble, as you can see currently happening. Now the next thing I like to look for when identifying cottonwood is the deep furrowed bark, and this is a very distinct feature of this tree. Not any other tree in Michigan will have a bark like this. On younger trees, it is, however, much smoother and can often resemble aspen bark, although it becomes much more furrowed like this with age. A fun fact about cottonwoods is they produce, in the springtime, or actually around this time of the year, they produce a cotton-like substance to spread their seeds. And that only occurs on the female trees because cottonwoods have male and female trees. They're dioecious. Anyway, a fun fact about these trees is in many neighborhoods, female cottonwoods are actually illegal to plant because of that. The cotton is so messy that it causes problems with air conditioning units and things like that. So this is actually my favorite tree. But yeah, they're great. The eastern cottonwood is fantastic.